Black is the biggest contrast to light, and what you're looking at is light, really, reflecting. For me, that's always a sign of hope. I'm Gunderson, and I'm a painter. For the last 30 years or so, I've been painting with only black paint. It's like a different kind of experience with painting. Normally you stand in one place and you look at a painting, whereas my painting comes alive when you start moving. It's almost cinematic in a way. And so it's more contemporary in that kind of idea. I paint with 4 different shades, for the most part, 4 different shades of black. And as I'm painting, I think of the form as if I'm touching it in space. So if you see the painting, you'll see my brush mark. And it's what they call the haptic, which is the sense of touch. And in the process of looking at the painting, a lot of times you have an experience. It's called synesthesia, where your sense of touch, you actually experience the touch just by looking at it. The name of the show is Nature and the Nature of Royalty. When I'm painting with the royalty, I feel like the black is the history. It's in the past. And the figures come out of the past into our time and bring them into a contemporary context so we can view them and take on what they have to say. I've been painting nature for many years. The water, which is the most understood and connecting for people, I think, has to do with the fact that it's beautiful, but it's also dangerous, and it's needed as well, and it's a big part of our world. The mountains are from Tibet. I wanted to make people conscious of Tibet only because of what's been going on with the monasteries, and I just want to bring attention to different subjects with my work. What I believe is that we're throwing pebbles in the pond, the great pond, and they make ripples. So you have to be responsible for what it is that you're throwing in that pond. This has been really exciting for me to see people actually see my paintings, because it feels like they kind of discover their own visual experience. If they can walk away with understanding how to see the world in a new way, that to me is my treasure.